to use dual Instagram apps on iPhone. So if you want to use dual Instagram apps on iPhone, like if you want to use two Instagram apps on iPhone, then what you need to do is you don't have an option on your iPhone itself. So you just need to simply go with the App Store. So once you're here on the App Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And you just need to simply go with the search, and under search, you need to search for copy app. And once you search here, you will get all of the searches. So under your searches, you will have dual accounts, a dual app. So you just need to simply go with the right side, which has that get option, and you need to install the application. Once you install dual accounts, you just need to simply open the application. Once you open, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that plus icon. And here you will have the applications like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, and everything. So if you want to get dual WhatsApp or dual Messenger, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the application and select the application. So right now you want Instagram, right? So you just need to simply choose the Instagram and then go with the tick, which is on the upper right, and that's it. You can give it a name and you can add it. So that's how you can use dual Instagram apps on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.